Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying core exposure controls. This fixes most motion blur fast. Set shutter to 1/125s or faster for handheld shots, and if the subject moves, go higher. Once done, shoot RAW so you can recover detail later, and if you're on a tripod, make sure camera stabilization is off to avoid conflicts. Use a wider aperture like f/2, 8 to f/5. 6. Then raise ISO incrementally to reach proper exposure without dragging the shot. Next, stabilize both the camera and the process. Brace your body, use a monopod or tripod, and enable lens or sensor stabilization only when handheld. Otherwise, turn it off. Switch to continuous autofocus when the subject is moving, and use single AF for static scenes. Also, use burst mode or a remote trigger to minimize timing error from finger squeeze. This increases the chance of a sharp frame. Finally, if light is low, add controlled light rather than slowing shutter speed. Finish by editing. Open the RAW file, apply selective sharpening, and if available, motion doubler tools. Work carefully to avoid artifacts. If blur still shows, run a controlled test. Photograph a static target at 1/125 to determine if the problem is technique or gear. Make sure lens is secure on the mount, update firmware, and confirm stabilization alignment. These hardware checks often reveal calibration issues. If nothing works, try a different lens to isolate the source.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.